Hey y'all, today we're going to be reviewing some trades. Wow. So number one here we have DWAC. Now this one actually cracked support on Friday, but there was an opportunity to get in on Monday. So this one really had a nice support holding here in this range, just below 52.77. That was the low of the support. And I'm gonna bring up the intradaily so you can see that better. So as you see here, you have this support right here at the 52.77 level. For the past month or so of trading, it has not cracked below that. So it's very interesting to see. And that just indicates that when it does finally crack, that it's gonna pull hard. And my thesis was if it cracks under 52.77, it's just gonna fade really hard to the low 40s, 40-ish. The reason for that is that 40 was a consolidation zone the day of its big run. So the Friday was a big crack under, as you can see on this chart. This is Friday. This is Friday. This is Monday. And this is Tuesday. So you're able to enter in on the Friday or even Monday pre-market if you didn't want to chance it over the weekend, because usually there may be surprise news. Things like that just can come up. Companies love sending out press releases on Monday. So you could have waited on the Monday and then shorted the green red snap in pre-market right here. So around 8 a.m. or so, and then just swing it for 2 days and getting out in 40. I wouldn't have swung for 3 days. Usually moves like this don't need longer. You're just wasting, you're tying up your capital. The reason for 40 is because it's a whole number, and that's the next sort of support zone. So that was the trade on Monday on DWAC. That was a gimme trade in my opinion. Next we're going to move on to a morning panic play right here. So this one you had to be looking at your scanner to find out. This is one that happened on Monday, this Monday, same day as the DWAC trade. So right here you see that it panics really hard from the following day's close at 2.24 all the way down to 1.41. However, the first trade of the day was at around 2.06, 2.06. So we're going to use that as the top. Really hard panic, and then reading the level 2, you were able to time the bounce here, and then you would have ridden it all the way up to the mid 160s. It's a little liquid, so you can't use a lot of size, but this was the second trade of the week. These are trades almost anyone can do. And another point I want to mention is that DWAC also had options. So if you knew how to play them, you would have been able to play the options, and then you might have made a lot more money than just shorting the stock. That's pretty advanced stuff. But this is just really simple setup, nice support crack, and this other setup is literally just a panic dip buy. Really great. 2 setups in the week. It was a little slow. So hopefully next week we see a lot more opportunities and a lot more trades we can review together. So hope you liked this video. Very basic stuff. Just a little overview for you guys. And I hope that this helps you out.